I'm going to throw several numbers at you during this lecture, and I prepared a view graph. Don't copy the numbers because it's all on the web, but some of these numbers I will return to, and therefore I thought I might as well compile them in one. You see there on the top there that 1 calorie is 4.2 joules, and you also see the horsepower and other units that will come up very shortly. I all defined there. When we burn something, there is a chemical reaction which produces heat in many cases. Gasoline produces per gallon something like close to 100 million joules. Your body produces heat. Your body is roughly at a temperature of 98 degrees Fahrenheit, unless you happen to run a high fever today. And your body is radiating electromagnetic radiation. You can't see it with your eyes because it's infrared. But when it's dark and you hold someone in your arms, you can feel that heat. That heat is a fantastic amount. That is about 100 joules per second that you radiate. 100 watts. You radiate at the same level as a 100-watt light bulb, but it's, of course, distributed over a much larger area, so you're not that hot as a 100-watt light bulb. But it's a fantastic amount. 100 watts that you radiate for the simple fact that your body has to be kept at that temperature. It means that it is in one day about 10 to the 7 joules that you generate. 10 to the 7 joules. That is what you generate in terms of heat. 10 to the 7 joules per day. And that is about 2 million calories per day. Where does the body get it from? Food. You better eat 2 million calories per day. Now I can see some of you turn pale and green and purple and say, over my dead body, 2 million calories per day. You must be out of your mind. Well, not quite. You see, when you read on the packages calories, then it is called a capital CAL, and that is really a kilocalorie. So you have to divide this by 1,000 to compare it with the packages that you buy, how many calories there is in the food. So you have to eat roughly daily about 2,000 kilocalories equivalent of food. And if you eat a lot more than that, well, you pay a price for that sooner or later.